Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian, and today I'm going to do a piece that is going to be a kind of a copy of a piece I did last year. So first I'm going to explain to you what I did earlier before this video, and then we'll get into the piece. So yeah, it was a hot mess. So I tried to make a video before this one. It was going to be of some pinks. And I scraped it 4 times and still nothing. So I scraped it and I used a paintbrush to clear off the excess paint. I'm letting it dry and then I'll do something else to it. But that was not anything worth looking at. It was terrible. I don't know what happened. My paint consistencies are the same. It's all the same colors I've used, just maybe not in the same painting. So sometimes that happens, you know what? And sometimes it's just best not to paint. And I'm going to try another one right now, and maybe it might be best that I don't paint again. So we'll see. Yeah, it's, it's paint. You can have good days and bad days, just like with anything in life. So we'll try it again. If this one doesn't work out, then I will give up for the night and call it a day. But I'm using some different colors on this one, so I'll show you what they are once I get you down on the canvas here. I'll be right back. What I've got here is a 20 by 24 canvas. I've turned it sideways because I want to have more space. What I'm going to do is try to recreate something I did last year. I did it on a little 10 by 10 canvas, I believe it was. I love the colors, but I definitely want to change it up a little bit and get another color in there and just have a little bit more canvas to work with. So I like this. I just want it to be some of the colors, I wanted the other colors to pop. So I'll explain that in just a second here. So what I'm going to be using today is Creative Inspirations Paynes Grey, Arteza's Pale Green, Arteza's Phthalo Green, Loft's Metallic Lemon Yellow, and Pebeo Studio Acrylics, we got Iridescent Blue Green. So I'm adding this one. I did not have it before. I'm hoping get a little more blue in there. The greens and the Paynes Grey, they really work well together, the color. Yeah, I was really bummed out. I have never had to scrape something 4 times. And, sometimes you can use paints that are not... if you're using too many paints that are not, that would be my 3 dogs fighting, playing, not fighting, but yes. So sometimes you can use paints that are semi-transparent or transparent, and so they don't cover well. But all the paints in my last one, it was a bunch of pinks, and they were all either semi-transparent or they were completely opaque. So I don't really understand what happened. Anyways, put that out of my brain. Hopefully this is going to work better. So let's blow this out. Paynes Grey, one of my absolute favorite colors. And start here. pale green. All right, something I'm noticing already, the last time, I'll have to show you the video of it. My paints were kind of sinking and spreading. These are not. These seem to be sitting right on top of the base, which is what I wanted. Metallic lemon yellow. And the new color, iridescent green blue. A little theme here with the greens. Yeah, these colors are sitting right on top of the white, whereas I noticed when I was trying to do the pinks, they were all kind of settling in. I did use a couple of colors that were mixed. It was mixed because I had to scrape a painting, and I scraped it all into a bottle and I used it. It's a beautiful color. It's an eggplant color, but it just, maybe that was the problem. I don't know. Anywho, so let's get this going. That worked much better. Let's blow some of this. Really love this Paynes Grey. It's very subtle under here. Yeah, the Phthalo green and the Paynes Grey, good combination. It just works really well together. So let's pop. And it's got a lot of tiny cells. So I don't want to make any cells here with the torch. I just want to make sure there's no air bubbles. Yeah, leave it there. All right, so what do we want to do? We want to make sure we scrape the bottom. We want to make sure all the drips get taken off. And we want to make sure our sides are fixed. Okay, guys, so I will pause you, bring you down, and let you see what we got. Some tiny, tiny, tiny little cells. And I didn't do anything to make those other than the mixture of the paint. As always, it's just Floetrol, paint, and water. Really nice. All right, so once this dries, we'll put it up on the wall, let you see it, and then it's going to get a coat of resin. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This really came out nice. I added that blue in, which really gives it some depth. The green and the Creative Inspirations Paynes Grey, they just mix really well. You see all the little cells, but you really see the shimmer from the iridescent color. Wow. What an amazing piece. All right, guys, so I'm going to let this dry probably for a couple more days, and then I'm going to put some crystal resin on it, and then I will show that to you in another video how it came out. So if you like what you see, again, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And if you like this piece or any of my other pieces, don't forget you can email me at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. and I can let you know about pricing. Okay, guys, have a great one. We'll see you next time.